When I say this lace is thin, girl. So let's get into the unit that we have on today. Today I have on the Sensational Bare Lace unit, and this is unit 3. With this unit, it is a 13x6 lace wig. Now let me just say, like, the lace, you can't even tell that there's lace. I will say, like, what I had to do is, my original caps that I usually wear, I just wear like regular wig caps that I got from Amazon, and it's usually like the light tan color. That's the one that I usually wear when I put on wigs. Now I could not do that one because it was so like you can actually see the wig cap through the wig, and I didn't like that. What I had to do is I looked through my stuff and I saw that I had like an HD cap. The HD caps are really thin and you can barely see the color on them. So that's what I put on, because I wish I would have got a picture or video, but yeah, with a regular wig cap, I could not put this wig on. Like, I was gonna look tacky and you was gonna know that it was a wig, okay? Now, I got this unit in the color 2. I didn't want to go for like the 1B because I always go for 1B, and I didn't want to do black because I always do black too. So I just wanted to do something simple and something just out of the ordinary. Now, more specs about this unit is it is a 13x6 lace wig, so 13 inches in the front and then 6 inches of party space toward the back, and it is gorgeous. Usually with bobs you can get like a 13x4. Parting space doesn't really go so far back, but I like how they made this 13x6 lace wigs because I always like to have more parting space than I need. Now with this wig, it does come with baby hairs and it does come pre-plucked, but I always pluck my wigs again because I like them to match my hairline. As you can see, I did a little bit of a widow's peak in the front. I just wanted it to match my hairline to make it more realistic for me. Now with this unit, it does come with a breathable mesh cap, so it does have the wig band so you can tighten it. For me, I just have it on the loosest setting because I feel like this wig isn't big head friendly. When I say big head friendly, I mean like when you put the wig on and you put the wig band and everything like that, it stretches. This wig does not stretch. Now you can also wear this unit glueless if you would like to. You don't have to put anything extra on it, but for me, I always like to put the extra security because I am going to be wearing this wig for a couple of days. The texture, I would say, is more of like a yaki texture. Obviously when you're going to put heat on it, that is going to change, but I really love how soft this wig is. So far there's no shedding with this wig. I love the bob, I really do. Only thing I don't like usually I don't do middle parts, like I just do side parts. So it probably will look good with a side part, but I don't like the long front. Like honestly, I might cut it. I might cut the front because I just like it to be like a nice blunt cut bob. This is cute. It's cute. It has a really good length, but this is not my fave. It really isn't. Like if you're gonna make it like that, make all of it like that, but I might cut it honestly. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys like this wig, if you love it, hate it, let me know. I'm also going to be linking this wig down below for you in my description box if you are interested. And also I am going to be doing a couple more videos on this wig, so just look out for that. So pretty much what I'm going to be doing for certain wigs is I'm going to be doing 4 videos. So it's going to be like the first initial video, which will be the install and prepping the wig for the first install and the first review. Second video is just going to be me styling it into a different style. Third video is going to be like a different style from what I did previous. And then the fourth video is going to be the final review. So stay tuned for those with this series. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my videos as well. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.